Tired of your motorcycle refusing to start at the worst possible moment? In this video, we're breaking down the best motorcycle batteries you can buy right now, covering power, lifespan, reliability, and value for money. Whether you ride daily or only on weekends, the right battery makes all of the difference. I've tested and researched the top options so you don't waste your time or cash. Check the links in the description to see current prices, specs, and the best deals available today. Let's dive in. You know that feeling when your bike hesitates for half a second and your heart sinks? The Forgetyo YTX14-BS lithium motorcycle battery is built to remove that anxiety completely. Right away, the weight is shocking, in a good way. At under 3 pounds, it feels almost fake compared to old lead-acid bricks. But twist the key and that illusion disappears fast. The starting punch is aggressive, even on cold morning, and it cranks engines that normally struggle without breaking a sweat. On paper, the high cranking power sounds wild, and in real life, it honestly feels like over in a fun way. Build quality feels solid, with vibration resistance that makes sense for off-road abuse. You can mount it in almost any position, which helps a lot if your battery tray is awkward. The built-in BMS quietly does its job, protecting against overcharging and overheating, so you're not constantly worrying about killing it early. Now here's the honest part. Some riders notice the compact size can surprise you, and a few experience shorter lifespan than expected. It's not cheap either, but compared to premium lithium options, it still lands in a more approachable price. If you want featherlight weight, strong starts, and modern lithium convenience, this one definitely earns attention. Ever just want something simple that works without drama? The Mighty Max YTX14-BSA GM motorcycle battery is very much that kind of energy. This one sticks to old school lead acid AGM tech, and honestly, there's comfort in that. It's heavier, sure, but that weight translates into a familiar, dependable feel. Drop it in, bolt it down, and it behaves exactly how you expect. Turn the key, and the engine fires without hesitation. No learning curve, no lithium quirks. The size is spot on for most YTX14-BS slots, which saves you from foam spacers and DIY fixes. It arrives sealed, maintenance free, and already charged enough to get you moved. For ATVs, smaller bikes, and even generators, it just quietly does its job day after day. But let's keep it real. Cold cranking power isn't mind-blowing, and if you're running high compression engines or accessories, you'll notice its limits. A few riders also ran into charge holding issues over time, especially if the bike sits unused for long periods. On the upside, the price is usually wallet friendly, often noticeably cheaper than lithium alternatives. If your priority is value, easy installation, and proven reliability without fancy tech, this battery still makes a lot of sense in today's market. Some batteries feel disposable, this one doesn't. The Pirate Battery YTX20HL-BSAGM comes across like it's built for people who hate replacing batteries. It has that solid, dense weight that instantly screams durability. Installation is straightforward, and once it's in, the starting performance feels confident, especially on larger ATVs and UTVs. Engines crank smoothly without that strange sound you get from weaker units, even after sitting for a while. The AGM design really shines if you ride hard. Vibration, uneven terrain, water exposure, none of it seems to bother this battery much. It arrives fully charged, which means no waiting around, and the power delivery feels consistent rather than peak. Now for the honest side, it's not the lightest option, and if you're upgrading from lithium, you'll feel the difference immediately. Some users experience charging issues down the line where the battery refused to recover after deep discharge. It doesn't happen to everyone, but it's worth knowing. Price-wise, it often undercuts premium brands by a noticeable margin, which makes the 18-month warranty feel like a bonus rather than a requirement. If you want a tough, no-nonsense AGM battery with strong cranking power and solid value, especially for bigger machines, this one earns its reputation the hard way. This is one of those products that makes you rethink what a battery should feel like. The Noco Lithium NLP 20 motorcycle battery feels more like a performance upgrade than a replacement. Pick it up, and the weight, or lack of it, is immediately noticeable. It's ridiculously light, yet the starting power is borderline ridiculous. One tap of the starter and engines snap to life instantly, even ones that usually sound half asleep. The power delivery feels sharp, clean, and confident. Noco's intelligent BMS works silently in the background, balancing cells and protecting against electrical mistakes. You don't see it, but you definitely feel the reliability. Charging speed is another standout. 5 minutes of charge can genuinely get you back on the road in a pinch. The universal mounting system is clever, with multiple terminal options that make tricky installs far less painful. That said, the price can sting. It's clearly positioned as a premium product, and not everyone feels the longevity matches the cost. A few riders had early failures, which is frustrating at this price point. Still, when it works, and for most people it does, it feels unstoppable. If you value ultra-fast starts, lightweight performance, and cutting-edge lithium tech, this battery delivers a very modern ride experience. There's something reassuring about gear that doesn't try to flash you. The ExpertPower YTX20L-BSAGM battery is all about dependable strength without unnecessary extra. Right out of the box, it feels ready, fully charged, at maintenance-free, and sized perfectly for bikes that demand a bit more muscle. The cranking power is strong and steady, especially noticeable on larger touring motorcycles where hesitation simply isn't an option. A GM construction helps here. Low self-discharge, good vibration resistance, and reliable performance in both heat and cold. Once installed, it settles into that set it and forget it role most riders actually want. That said, terminal layout about can trip some people up, especially if you're swapping from a different brand. Battery life feedback is mixed too. Some riders get years, others less than expected, depending heavily on charge habit. The pricing usually lands well below premium OEM replacement, making it a popular alternative to higher priced factory batteries. It doesn't try to reinvent anything, and honestly, that's part of its charm. If you're after consistent starting power, straightforward installation, and solid value without diving into lithium territory, this battery fits comfortably into that sweet spot. Big machines demand big confidence. The Uplus YTX 30L-BSAGM motorcycle battery brings that confidence with authority. This thing feels substantial, and that weight translates directly into crank strength. High displacement engines turn over smoothly, without hesitation, even after sitting unused. It arrives factory activated and fully charged, which makes installation refreshingly simple. Uplus leans heavily into build quality, using high purity lead and solid internal construction. Vibration resistance is excellent, making it a good match for ATVs, snowmobiles, and heavy motorcycles that see rough conditions. Once installed, it feels stable and predictable. Now for balance. Size can be tricky. Some riders found it slightly smaller than expected, while others said it fit perfectly. Battery lifespan also varies, with some units lasting years and others falling short around the 6-month mark. The price is generally competitive for its class, especially considering the higher capacity and strong cold cranking amps. Add in the extended warranty and local support, and it starts to feel like a calculated, practical purchase. If you want raw starting power, traditional reliability, and a battery that feels built for serious machines, this one deserves a serious look. That wraps up our list of the best motorcycle batteries. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and comment below which battery you're using or planning to buy.